let's do a gentle nervous system reset. It's gonna help you feel calmer, more centered, less anxious, and it just might change your life. Take a deep breath in and out. We're gonna start tapping right here. So this point is gonna help you release energy and information that is stored in the body around grief, sadness, disappointment. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Right there, you might feel your chest unlocking and opening up and softening. That's a good thing. Take a deep breath in and out. Okay, we're gonna go to the top of the head. Good. This is gonna help you release looping thoughts, anxiety, overthinking. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go to the inner eyebrow. This is gonna help you release frustration and anger. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Go to the outside of the eye. This is going to help release frustration and anger. Good. Let's go under the eye. This is going to help release feelings around a lack of control. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. I'm feeling the energy traveling down the back of my legs and down to my feet. Tune into where your body is starting to shift and change and get into the parasympathetic nervous system. Right here, we're releasing under the nose any energy and information around overwhelm. So this helps to reconnect the mind and the body. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go under the lip. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. And the digestion is coming on. That is part of the parasympathetic nervous system. Excuse me. We are tapping underneath the collarbone. Good. This is helping to release fear. So when we are feeling a lot of fear, this is a good spot to tap. Take a deep breath in and out. Also, this point right here under the lip, this helps to release anywhere you didn't speak your truth and you kind of stuffed your feelings. This helps to release that and release tension in the jaw. Take a deep breath in and out. I'm going to go to the center of the chest. Good. So this is where we're offering ourselves love and compassion. Good. The journey to wellness, life in general, is hard, and we are way too hard on ourselves. So when we tap here, we're offering more love and compassion to ourselves. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. And we'll go to the outside of the body. So on the right side, we are releasing anger, and on the left, we're releasing worry and rumination. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. We want the exhale longer than the inhale. Good. And that was one round of tapping. So you could do many rounds of tapping. You don't have to just do 1 or 2 or 3. You can keep going, and the more that you tune into how you're feeling, the better this is, the deeper the transformation. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Go to the top of the head. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Feeling more energy traveling down the backs of my legs. Good. Feeling yawns coming on for people. You might be crying, might be releasing some energy in your chest and shoulders. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go to the outside of the eye. Take another deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go under the eye. Good. Deep breath in and out. And under the nose. Good. Feeling my jaw relax. Tune in to where you hold your stress. It's good information. Take a deep breath in and out. And under the lip. Good. And under the collarbone. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Outside the body. Good. Take a big deep breath in and out. Place your hands over your chest and hold it there for 20 seconds. This helps to release oxytocin, helps you feel bonded to yourself and others. And we need 8 hugs a day in order to thrive. And this gets us there, especially if we don't have somebody else to hug. So I love you. Keep tapping. You're doing great.